Perfect.
Um,
Thank you. I see it over here.
Perfect. So, for this webinar, we're going to be working on this pizza place fan page that I just created. This is just a fake business, but I want to show you how easy and simple it is for business owners to create deals on Deal Maker. So, ultimately, the goal of this webinar is to learn how to create one of these campaigns online. This is a deal campaign, and your consumers will have the ability to purchase right by clicking on this ad right here or typing hashtag sold. We'll be talking about that at the end. So first, I just want to show you what a finished campaign looks like, and then we get started with our application and how to create one of these. So this is very similar to what you would find on any major daily deal network, such as Groupon or Living Social. It's a daily deal type of campaign. We have all the elements here, like the original price, discount price, title, description, fine print, time left to buy, quantity left to buy, and all the information about the business. The great thing about DealMaker is that it's not only sitting inside Facebook, but we also give consumers the ability to purchase this deal right inside Facebook. So they don't ever have to leave the Facebook experience. And that's how we leverage on organic traffic from Facebook. So someone buying here might share this with their friends, and then people are coming right from Facebook. They have the ability to purchase right inside here and then just continue doing whatever they were doing before. So all I have to do to buy is just enter my billing information, credit card information, click continue, and automatically, as a consumer, I will receive a voucher for this purchase, and the merchant will receive the funds in their PayPal account and the confirmation as well that they just made a sale. So to get started, I'll go quickly into our DealMaker platform. This is our main dashboard, and this is like a quick overview of what we can do and what's taking place with our campaign. So the first thing I want to show you is how simple it is to create a new campaign. We actually built this process to take less than 2 minutes. So the first thing is clicking on the builder, and then we will land in this page where we can pick our campaign type. For this demo, we're going to be focusing on the deals. So I will click on deals, and you will notice here at the top that it's showing me which fan page I'm working on. We can have multiple fan pages on our Facebook account. So again, as I mentioned, for this demo, we're working on our pizza place. As soon as you select which fan page you want to work on, we will get all the information from your Facebook account. So we already know this is a restaurant. We know the address, location on the map. And even if I had a phone number, it would show up in here. I didn't put my phone number on my Facebook fan page, but when you do, we will automatically get it for you so you don't have to type it. Since we already know that this is a restaurant business, we automatically take this user to our deals templates for restaurants so they don't have to be looking for them. So, lucky me, the first template is actually for a pizza business. So I will select this template, and this will show me a quick overview of how this will look on a desktop device, but also on a smartphone. So it's very important to note that our application works on both desktop and smartphones. So we're fully mobile and responsive. So you can get customers from either way. So as soon as I select that template, we will be taken to our main builder where we have our campaign preview. So that's it. We can see everything. As you can see, everything's fully populated. So you can select any of these items and edit right here. So let's pretend my pizzas are actually not 20, but they're 30. And I want to discount these instead of 10 to 15. I want to give a 50% discount. So let's make that 15. Everything's fully automated. Also, the voucher, you'll notice as soon as I get to the voucher preview, it will be updated as well with the quantities I just entered. So that's all I have to do. And when I'm ready to publish, after doing all my edits, I can click this button, Save and Publish. This will connect to my Facebook account, install the application, and let me know when this is ready. So this is already published, and people can start buying right now from me. So So again, as I mentioned at the beginning, we try to make this process as simple as possible, less than 2 minutes for people to publish one of our templates. And from here, you'll see what we called our share flow. So our share flow, and we'll be talking more about this at the end of this call, but this is a set of tools that we've designed so merchants can spread the word about these new deals that they just created. So the most simple one is posting on my business timeline. So as you can see, I have a warning sign here because I haven't completed that step. I'll go ahead and publish, and I will get a confirmation as soon as that is published in my Facebook fan page. So that's been done, and I just want to take you there so you can see the post. Let me refresh this. And here it is, just now. This post was published automatically. As you can see, it's beautifully styled. It has all the information with the picture that we selected and the hashtag sold capabilities. So if anyone types here hashtag sold, which is right there, later I'll show you how we'll get, let me do that actually as a person. You'll notice how we'll get, like in a minute, a notification from this business. So as you can see, everything's fully automated, and it is very simple for merchants to create this. The second thing we have in our share flow, it's our SMS campaign capabilities. I'll talk about that a little bit later as well. But I just want to show you how simple it is to send an SMS blast in case I already have a list of my customers that I want to reach and share this campaign with. So in this case, I have a test list just for this webinar, so I will just send one SMS. I will select this list that I created before, and I will click share. We get a confirmation dialog asking me if I want to send that one SMS. I'm sure. I'll click OK. And again, it will do automatically everything for me. It will send that SMS blast, and as a matter of fact, I just got that text in my phone number. So that was the first step of the webinar. I don't know if you guys have any questions right now. Again,
we do have a couple questions. So we got one question here for Victoria. She says, what is the difference between each template? So the difference between each template is really based on your industry. We kind of tailor them, and we chose high-performing templates from customers who have used the platform and seen great success. So if you want to go back to the template section really quick, so I can just show the different verticals that we have and that we cater to. If you want to just quickly look through each of those and show them what we have. So we have automotive. Again, we have tailored them to some high-performing templates just so you can get an idea of, you know, what other businesses are running. It's a format you can change to tailor custom to your business. Let me know if that answers your question, Victoria. We have one more question. Can I change the image? Yes. Yes, Fred, you can change the image. You can also embed a video into the campaign as well. Maybe you might want to show that feature, Luis.
Perfect. Yeah. So the second part of this webinar is just showing how you can customize any template, or even we have a blank template, so you can start right from scratch. So I'll show you quickly. We'll just go and again, I just want to show you how simple it is. So I don't have anything prepared for this. We will just look for a pizza video right now just to show you how simple it is just to upload a video. So, you know, I'll just use this one as a test. We'll copy this, and then let's get to Deal Maker. So again, we've selected that same pizza template that you see previously, but as I mentioned, you can edit everything you see on here. So in this case, for the image, we have the ability to select one image from our image bank. We have a huge selection of images from all the industries that we support. But at the same time, we give merchants the ability to upload their own picture. So, you know, you can take out your iPhone, take a picture of your business or, you know, your products or services that you want to promote, and you upload it automatically to your campaign. And last but not least, and this is a unique feature we have in this space, is embedding a video. So all you have to do is copy paste your YouTube link. And again, as everything you've seen in the past, we do all the work for you. So we go to YouTube, we get that thumbnail, we get the video, and we embed it in your campaign. In this case, I can select if I want to make this autoplay or no. It just depends on your campaign and on your preferences. Some videos work better when you have them on autoplay. Some of them can be annoying. So again, it just depends on your video and your market. So let's just go with the video for this one because I want to show you how much you can customize. As far as the description goes, again, you can do anything you want to do here in terms of adding more content, customizing, even adding bullet points, numbered lists. So we give you full access to changing everything as far as your description and fine print. For the fine print, we put some items that we feel are very relevant to every merchant out there, but you can also customize. If you don't want to make this valid for 90 days but 60, you can also edit that or maybe make it 180 days. And you can add more items. And again, as I mentioned, everything's click to edit. So if I don't want this to end in 7 days from today, I can end it maybe in let's say 14. So I'll go there. I mean, sorry about that. We can select the 17 maybe and make it 11 days from today. But the most important thing is we also have a full set of advanced features that you can edit. So this click to edit, we made it as simple as possible, but we want to make sure that we give merchants the ability to change absolutely everything they want to change. So as a matter of fact, you have the ability to schedule campaigns to start in the future, something that you won't see here, but you can actually say, I don't want this campaign to start immediately. I want this campaign to start tomorrow or next week. And that makes perfect sense with the calendar we have in our dashboard. I'll show you a little bit later about that. You can select, what's the max number that my customers can buy. As you noticed, all the campaigns have a menu here where they can select how many vouchers they want to buy. So, maybe I want to limit these to 1 per customer or make these 10 per customer, because I want to sell as many as I want. And we have some other advanced features that are very important that you'll notice here. So one big thing we have is, as I mentioned previously, you get your money instantaneously in your PayPal account. So it's very simple for you to just enter your PayPal email and start collecting money on your account. And if for some reason you want to change it later, just type your new email in here, and it's extremely simple to do that. So yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but we actually even support multiple currencies. So if you have a business that might cater to multiple markets, you can click here and edit that as well. So far, do we have any questions on customizing campaigns?
We did get one question from Mark. He has asked, how much of a discount do we have to give, and can we choose? You can offer whatever you would like for your business. It's totally customizable to you. We do have suggestions for people and businesses depending on the industry that you're in. It's very good to offer an aggressive discount. We've seen anywhere from, if you're doing a pizza deal, for instance, the one that Luis has done, 50% off is great, especially for that market. But again, it's your business, and you're able to offer whatever discount you'd like. And I believe if you wanted to show again how you can edit that discount, that would be great.
Absolutely. So right now we have a 50% discount, but maybe I want to make this 25. So I'll just make the discount price 15, and you'll notice how the savings was brought down to 25%.
Perfect. Thank you. I believe that is all the questions for right now. If anyone has any questions, feel free to type them on the panel. We can go over them, and if not, let's move on to the tool section.
Perfect. Thank you, Katie. So the last item I wanted to share with you guys on the advanced features, and that, again, is part of the third section of this webinar, which is showing you how to get traction and get more people to see this deal. Is 2 very interesting features we have here. So the first one is mandatory sharing. One of the features or one of the capabilities that we give our merchants is for them to request people to share this deal before they can buy. So it's like a kind of a win-win situation. You're getting an amazing deal, but we need your help to get the word out. So share before you can buy, and it will look something like this. They won't be able to click the buy button until they should share this on Facebook. So they can type anything like, this is an amazing deal. It will automatically appear on their timeline, and all their friends will see it on their news feed. So this is a great feature to try to get organic traffic. And the second feature we have is what we call referrals. So basically, they can reward people for getting some of their friends to buy this deal. And you can define what the reward is. So, I can say, in my case, I'm a pizza place. So I can say, if any one of my fans gets five of their friends to buy this deal, I will give them a free pizza. So again, this is very powerful to get your existing customers and fans that already love you to get the word out, and again, somehow try to reward them and keep them as loyal customers. So those are the last two features that I wanted to share in here. So again, just going through the share flow. We already talked about these two main items. We also have our own marketplace, which we get a ton of traffic. So, oh, sorry about that. I'm actually on the blacklist, so I don't want these to appear on our main marketplace. So let me show you what our marketplace looks like. In here, we actually promote all of the deals that are being published on our network. So again, you don't only get exposure on your Facebook fan page, but you also get exposure on our own marketplace. So you can either send your customers to your Facebook fan page or our marketplace, and the flow to purchase is exactly the same, as simple as you saw it previously. The second item we have here is what we call the mobile-friendly URL. So again, you can take this URL and share it through email or any other social network, or any other way that you might find. You can put it in your website. And the great thing about this URL is that as soon as people click on it, we will, through our servers, we will identify if they're using a desktop device or a mobile device, and we will show them the correct experience. So if they're on a smartphone, we will show them a website that's fully responsive and looks beautiful in their smartphone. If they're on a desktop, we will show them the whole desktop experience. And last but not least, we have the ability to share on all major social networks. Now, going back to our dashboard, just go there. Geez, right here. I had it in here. Yeah, so I'll go quickly to our set of tools. So the first tool is the redeem a coupon. So as soon as you start getting some customers buying this deal, they will start receiving a PDF that will look something like this, and they will go to your business, and every voucher has a unique coupon code. So you can enter this unique coupon code in here just to verify that this is a valid voucher. But also very important, in your report and in your database, you will see which of your customers have actually walked into your business and redeemed that voucher. So this is a very powerful way to keep track of who has been buying and redeeming, and then just follow up with them so they actually become loyal customers, and you build a long-term relationship with them. The second item we have is the mobile tab. So as I mentioned, we also empower our merchants to run SMS campaigns. And in here, you can select, this is my deals campaign, so I can select which numbers I want to send this campaign to. We already have a pre-populated SMS text with the URL that I mentioned previously, but we also have a tool that we called our contacts manager. So if you have already a list, you can start adding contacts and managing them into groups. So later, when you publish a campaign, you can say, I want to send this campaign only to existing customers, or people that maybe entered one of my other campaigns, such as a sweepstakes or photo contest. So again, we give you full flexibility to select which people you want to market to. This is extremely powerful. The third tool we have is our email tool. So every time you create a campaign, we automatically create an HTML beautifully styled version of your deal, so you can send it through MailChimp, Aweber, Constant Contact, any mailing system out there. So again, we try to simplify these for merchants so you don't have to do all the work. You just copy and paste this link and automatically send it to your existing list, and again, to get your word out. Probably one of the most powerful features we have as far as getting new customers is what we call our Twitter search. So again, just following this example of my pizza place in San Diego, let me select it here. We can look for all the people talking about pizza in my own city and in real time. So, like this guy 26 minutes ago said pizza time at Blaze Pizza in San Diego. So, people is all the time, and this is what we tell all of our merchants, all the time people are having conversations in your own city about your products and services. So this feature, and the idea of this feature is just giving you the ability to listen and to take part in those conversations. So if this guy went to Blaze Pizza, maybe it's a time for me to say, if you love Blaze Pizza, I'm pretty sure you'll love my place. Here's a link to my deal. Whenever you want to come, we'll serve you, and we'll do the best to take the best care of you. So again, just giving them the ability to listen and take part in every conversation just with one click and promoting their campaigns. We love this feature because instead of just advertising to them, we're taking part of that conversation when they want to talk about pizza, not when they're doing something else. So this is very powerful. And last but not least, we have our widget tool, which basically allows you to embed your campaign in your website. So if you already have a website and you already have some traffic on that website, you can just copy and paste this short script. And what we will do is we will add this small tab in the left upper corner of your website. So it will be automatically updated. As you can see right now, it has all the information about my latest campaign we just created with 25% discount. And we even took the thumbnail from the video that I entered. So again, this is just to eliminate work for merchants. It's something that you have to do once, and for the rest of the time, this will be automatically updated, and your consumers will be able to buy right from there, from your website. So this is the set of tools, and this is just a very quick overview of all the tools we have to promote your campaigns. I don't know if you guys have any questions or anything that you'd like me to explain in further details regarding these.
Yep, we have a few questions. Thank you very much for showing all of our tools. So the first question we have from Mark, he wanted to know how you got to the tool section. Maybe you can show him how you brought that out from the menu.
Definitely. So again, I'll go every time you are in the builder, just to improve the experience, you'll notice we hide the menu, but you can unhide it with this button in the upper right corner. And from there, you can go to your dashboard or to your campaigns or to your reports or even to the tools section. So in this case, you will click where it says tools, and you'll get the menu of everything that I just showed you. So yeah, that's the simplest way. If you're in most of the sections, you will always see this navigation menu at the left, but if it's hidden, you just have to click in the upper right corner, and then you'll get the tools to pop up.
Perfect. Thank you. Next question comes from Victoria. She asks, do our customers have to print the coupon?
That's a very good question, and the answer is no. We actually have also a mobile-friendly. We also have a mobile app for merchants, which is exactly the same set of tools that I just showed you, but on your smartphone. And one very cool feature that we have in that application is a camera scanner. So as I showed you previously, every voucher also has a QR code. And as a merchant, you can actually use your phone camera and scan that out of another smartphone from one of your customers. So they don't have to print it. They can actually come with their smartphone just showing you the PDF, and you can scan it right from there.
Perfect. And the last question I have over here is coming from Fred, and he asks, where do the information from the customers that purchase, where does that go? How does he get access to that?
That's a great question. So we have a full set of reports for every single campaign. Whenever you're making sales, you will find that actually in the sales reports. But also an easy way to access that is going to your dashboard, and we also offer a quick summary of everything taking place in there. So let me just go quick to the dashboard, and you will see your users' activity. So right now, as I mentioned, this is a test campaign, but it will look exactly just like this, and you will see the latest people that are buying and which deal they bought right in here. So you can either click here or go to your reports and see your sales reports.
Awesome. We actually have one more question that just came in. If I add my campaign URL to my website, will it take them directly to my promotion?
Correct. So and we actually encourage you to do that. The best way to get people to your campaign is to share that mobile-friendly URL that I showed you previously. which will be visible every time you publish or in the mobile section. And the reason why we suggest sharing this URL is because, again, we customize the experience for every device. So if they use this link, we will take care of them, even if they're on a smartphone or a desktop, and they will be able to purchase from both devices.
Perfect. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Luis, for going through the platform. I'm sure it was very educational for everyone on the call. Just FYI, we are recording this, so if you did want to watch it and go back through and learn a little bit more, you can watch it again. And we actually host these webinars every 2 weeks. So we'll include you in on the next one, send you an email in case you want to learn some more about the platform. And I'm actually going to be hosting another webinar about Facebook advertising, which I highly recommend everyone join because Facebook is a huge, huge animal, and it's really important that you understand how Facebook advertising works for business, and it's very, very extensive. And I want to show some great tricks, some great tips, and if you're not familiar with it, I'll go through the basics first. So that'll be my first call, and I'll invite everybody onto that call that joined today. And all of you that may not have joined, I'll send an email in case you're watching this. But other than that, I think we're getting close to, yep, we're getting close to the end here. So if there's any last questions, please take your time to ask right now. If not, thank you all for joining today. It was great, and I'm really happy with the turnout here. I really think that we got a lot of questions answered, and thank you, Luis, for your demonstration today.
Perfect. Thank you, guys.
Thank you all. Have a great holiday weekend.